Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. So in this video I want to show you how to export and import the browser links from Edge to Chrome. So you have all these bookmarks and I want to import this from my Microsoft Edge to Chrome. So how to do that? So you go here, this three icon there, and then you look for bookmarks. So where is bookmarks? Uh, favorites. Okay, let's check favorites. Alright, so I got this. Now I'll click on this three icon here and then I'll say export favorites. Once I do this, this HTML file will open. So I just need to save this HTML file to a particular location. Let's say documents. Okay, I'll just do it documents and save it. Now I will go back to my Chrome and here I will have to go to bookmarks and then I see this setting here, import bookmarks and setting, and it says import bookmark and setting, Internet Explorer or from HTML file. I'll go and select bookmarks HTML file and then I'll choose the file. It should be in my documents folder. So this is where I exported it. I'll just click on open and all the bookmarks have been imported. I'll say done. And now if I see, I can see all my bookmarks from Edge have been imported here. So that's it. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in another video. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum.